In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for voices in ElevenLabs fast and easy. If you're looking to find that perfect voice for your project without spending hours sifting through options, then you're in the right place. Now let's dive right into the process to make your voice search efficient and straightforward. First, we begin by navigating to the Speech or Voice Library tab. This section is essentially the hub of voice options provided by ElevenLabs, where you'll find a variety of voice profiles ready to cater to any kind of audio requirement you might have. It's crucial to start here because this library is specifically designed to help you explore and choose voices effortlessly. Once you're in the voice library, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You will notice a search bar at the top. This search bar is going to be your best friend throughout this process. It's strategically placed to help you narrow down the vast collection of voices, making your search quicker and more targeted. Now comes the fun part, using the search bar to type in keywords that will help filter the voices based on your specific needs. You might have a certain tone or accent in mind, perhaps something like deep, female, or British as examples. These descriptors act as filters and will immediately narrow down your search to voices that match your criteria. If you're not sure what keywords to use, think about the personality or style you want to convey in your audio, and let that guide your choices. After you've typed in your keywords, the next step is to review the results. This is where the voice preview feature comes in handy. You can click on the options that pique your interest and listen to samples of each voice. This previewing process is crucial as it allows you to assess the voice's suitability for your project without having to make a full commitment just yet. Keep your project's tone and audience in mind while listening. Imagine how the voice will resonate with listeners. Finally, once you've found a voice that feels right, you can simply select it. A well-chosen voice can significantly enhance the emotional impact and clarity of your communication, ensuring your message is received as intended. Remember, your choice of voice can make or break a project. So take advantage of these tips to find exactly what you're looking for quickly and easily. You now have the tools and knowledge to perform a thorough voice search in ElevenLabs right at your fingertips. With this guide, I hope you're able to expedite your voice selection process and find the perfect match to bring your creative endeavors to life. Happy voice searching. And until next time, make sure your projects sound just as brilliant as you envision them.